Hello, students. Today we will be learning about the basic problems of economy, which depicts us to know about what are the challenges do we face in our economic development and also the economy of a country. The agenda are as follows. The agenda which we are about to learn in this above chapter are concept of economic problem, description on central problem faced by what are the assumptions of production possibility curve and the central problems on production possibility curve. Now let us follow the concept and the classification. The first concept which we are about to talk is economic problem. Every economy, no matter from which country it is, has an economic problem, due to which it is our work by learning the subject to form out the solution to solve this economic problem. Economic problem lies at the root of all the problems of an economy. The basic economic problem is the problem of relative scarcity and choices. Now, what the scarcity talks about? Scarcity is actually lack of availability of commodities and services which are needed in our day-to-day life by an individual. And what does choice depicts? Choice is nothing but our desire to choose which of the commodities or services are going to maximize our utility. Economic problem arises due to three interrelated facts. What are those facts? They are unlimited wants, because we all know, being a consumer or being a rational individual, our wants are unlimited. They has no end. The second one is scarcity of resources. As we all know that the resources which are available in our country are actually suffering due to the scarcity. And the third one is alternative uses of resources. Now let us discuss about the central problem of an economy are as follows. The first problem which we are about to learn is what to produce. This is a problem of what commodities shall be produced in what quantity. It is a problem of resource allocation. As I said earlier, that resource allocation is way more important to actually resolve the problem faced by an economy. It is very essential to utilize the resources in a good manner so that it may resolve the issue of what to produce and give us a complete solution for this problem. The next problem which arises is how to produce. Now, this is a problem of choice or method or technique of production. It is very essential for the producers while production procedure that they may actually know an updated method or technique while producing something for the consumers. The third problem is for whom to produce. Now, this is a problem of distribution of income among various resources owners who cooperate in the production of goods and services. It is a distribution of goods and services. So, it is a distribution of income which determines distribution of goods. It is very much important for the development of an economy that every individual is earning such an amount or at least to fulfill his or her desire, so that no one may lie beyond the level of poverty. It depicts about one of the most important problem which is being faced in underdeveloped countries and developing countries. The another concept and the classification are as follows. Production possibility curve and central problem. A production possibility curve is a curve which shows a various combination of two goods that can be produced with given amount of resources, assuming given technique and full and efficient use of resources. So production possibility curve actually shows us how various combination of different goods which we follow or which we desire for can be produced with a given amount of resources utilization, assuming with a given techniques or updated technology and full and efficient use of resources. Now, what are the assumptions of the production possibility curve? The amount of the resources is fixed. There is a given technique. There is a full employment. Resources are not equally efficient in the production of all the commodities. The above forms are considered to be the assumptions of production possibility curve. Let us now learn about the central problems on a production possibility curve. The problem of scarcity is shown by the points lying outside the production possibility curve. The production possibility curve also shows the problem of choice by the need for choosing from the different points on the production possibility curve. The problem of what to produce is shown by the particular point on a given production possibility curve. Problem of full and efficient utilization of resources is indicated by showing whether the production is on the boundary or inside the boundary of production possibility curve. Problem of economic growth is illustrated by the shift of production possibility curve to the right. Thank you for being patient enough and listening me with all your patience. I would like to thank my beloved student for showing their patience while listening to the video and understanding the concept. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy.